Hey YouTube, it's Erin and I am the Handbag Housewife and I'm back again with another video. Today's video is going to be a comparison, a head-to-head battle between the Marc Jacobs Mini, the tote bag in denim patchwork, and the Coach Field Tote 22 in the denim print. So my question to you is, which one do you prefer? I like both a whole heck of a lot. I like them for different reasons, but they are very similar in the fact that they are denim and they are both somewhat small bags in the tote style. Let's do some comparisons. As far as width goes, you can see that the Marc Jacobs tote bag is substantially wider. There is no doubt about that. It's 10 inches wide, and then the Field Tote 22 is closer to 9 inches wide. As far as depth goes, they are pretty similar, although the Marc Jacobs Mini, the tote bag, is just a little bit wider, as you can see. As far as height goes, they are exactly, or almost exactly, the same. So let's look at some less tangible comparisons regarding the feel of these tote bags. I feel like the denim on the Coach may be just slightly softer than the Marc Jacobs denim, but it is really, really close. I think that the Marc Jacobs denim is thicker than the denim on the Coach bag. When you look inside, you can see that the Coach bag is lined in a chambray colored fabric and has a pocket with a zipper. It also has a snap closure at the top, and the strap is hooked on to 2 D-rings on either side. As far as the details go, I love the little rivets that look just like those that you find on your jeans, and I also love the vachetta accents with the hang tag and the bits that hold on the D-rings. The vachetta tassel is from Dress Up My Purse, and I can link that website in my description box. Not only did I get that, but I also got an additional accessory for this bag that I can show you here in a minute. When you look at the details on the Marc Jacobs tote bag, I would say the most interesting thing is that the denim is in a patchwork pattern as opposed to the Coach signature, and that the Marc Jacobs logo is actually embroidered. The tote bag is a print, but this part's embroidered, which isn't the case with all of their canvas tote bags. There is also a patch on the back, and Shelly A did a review of this bag in a larger size, and she said she thought this might be cardboard. Honestly, I am just not sure. It may have some sort of a cardboard backing. It's very hard, and it definitely feels like it is a more matte type finish than, and it also looks like it's more of a matte type finish than the handles, which are this really glossy, shiny leather. Let's look inside this tote bag and see what we can see. When you get into the larger sizes, you're going to see a zippered pocket inside, but the mini in the canvas, so far as I can tell, does not have pockets. But some of the minis in the canvas, or other materials like this denim that are not leather, some of them have a lining, and this one does have a lining. Along the edges of the lining, there is like a ribbon type trim that says Marc Jacobs. And that is such a cute little detail. Honestly, it feels just about as thick as the denim. I think they basically wrapped this fabric that says Marc Jacobs around each seam on the inside as a nice additional feature. So you can tell this is the black hole. Enter the bag organizer. This bag organizer was designed for a larger Gucci Marmont style, and I ordered it to go in one of my Coach soft tabbies. The width of the organizer is 9.4 inches. The width of this bag is about 10 inches. So when I got this does not fit in my soft tabby. It's 1.5 inches roughly taller than the organizer I'm currently using in my soft tabby. And since that bag comes in at the top, I end up with warping material at the top. So I thought maybe I'll try that in this bag. With the Marc Jacobs mini totes, I did try the leather and found that the leather quality was not what I would expect from a leather bag. The two that I got, they were both in the same color. One of them had micro cracks in the leather that I was worried the color would eventually flake off. The other had glazing issues. And so I decided to try this bag in a fabric material since I had recently discovered the Coach Denim line and found a love for that. The other thing that I like about the fabric versus the leather is that it's much smooshier. You can smoosh this a lot more up against your body, so it's not as deep of a profile. And this organizer is not as deep as this bag, but much like people who order a Louis Vuitton Speedy organizer in, let's say, a size that would fit the 25 for a Speedy 30 so that their bag is smooshy and less structured, I feel like this organizer accomplishes that. Yes, there is extra room on the side, but I don't need any more room than what this organizer can provide. So I would recommend this organizer for this bag. I think that the width is good. It gives you pockets. And of course the depth is off. That allows the bag to not be so boxy because the organizer's only about half as wide as the bag. I do realize that this bag is going to be more boxy when I put my items inside, but my items are not going to take up more space than that. So I don't think it's going to be a huge difference. The other difference with this bag is the closure. This bag has a zippered closure. It has a magnet on this end that tucks in right there. But if you're going to use the strap, I prefer to tuck the zipper inside so that the D-rings aren't trying to go around the end of this zipper. So I like to tuck it inside. Back comes the Coach bag. You can see that the handles on this bag are all leather, while the handles on the Marc Jacobs bag are leather just at the top where you grab it. I'm okay with either. They're both very comfortable. They're both comfortable to wear on your arm. They'll both go up as far as you would like. Of course, you can't wear either on the shoulder because the drop just doesn't allow for that. When it comes to capacity, the Marc Jacobs Mini, the tote bag, does fit substantially more than the Field Tote 22. So if you're looking for extra capacity, bump it up to the Field Tote 30. But for me, the Field Tote 22 offers all the space that I need. So should we look at some straps? Straps are kind of my thing, and I have lots of options for both of these bags. If you look back into my community posts, you'll find that I did some Marc Jacobs strap options in my community posts. And at the time, you could call the outlet and get this strap, which is silver hardware, just like the bag. And it's got a strip of silver, a strip of white, and a strip of black with black leather trim at the ends. This looks so cute with this bag. So that's one look. The other look that I found that looks good with this bag is the strap that it came with. Actually, the strap that this bag came with is all black with leather trim at the ends with silver hardware. And that is consistent with pretty much most of their canvas bags and their fabric bags. There are only a few that have straps that match the bag, and we'll get to that in another video. But this strap is awesome. It's super comfortable, super soft, and goes with at least 4 or 5 of my Longchamp bags extremely well. Okay, so when it comes to the Field Tote 22, I have lots of strap options with this bag as well. First, I'll show you the one from Organize My Bag. This one is super cute with the vachetta trim. It just brings it out all that much more. It's a navy cotton strap and has vachetta edging with shiny gold hardware. The hardware on this bag is more of an antiqued gold, but that's okay because there's so little of the hardware that it doesn't really matter. The next option I have to go with this bag is this vachetta strap that came with the Clio top handle bag that I bought from the outlet. Again, the hardware is shiny. whereas the hardware on the bag is that more antiqued gold, which is typical of Coach retail. But the clips on this strap are much like the stubbier clips that you find on most of the Coach retail bags, as opposed to the outlet. It is a very nice vachetta strap, and the glazing on the edges of the strap really matches the glazing on the edge of the hang tag as well as on the edge of the D-rings quite perfectly. This isn't an essential detail, but it is a nice one. The Organize My Bag options come with a clear glaze, and I believe that you could get a red glaze with this, and they've come up with a new glazing that's more muted like this, but the strap only came with the clear glaze. So that's why I went ahead and picked up both in the clear glazing. All right, I have two more strap options for the Denim Field Tote 22. If you did happen to pick up the Badge Field Tote, which is the puffy one that came in black, ivory, or a color block with red, white, and blue, the strap that comes with the ivory one is a really close match to the Field Tote vachetta on the Denim Field Tote. The glazing is brown, but again, when you're just looking at this, you don't notice the glazing. It is nice for it to match like it does with my Coach outlet strap, but this one looks amazing with this bag too, and allows you more versatility when you're switching your outfits around. The only downside for me with this bag was that it came with this red and burgundy strap. And it is beautiful, don't get me wrong. I just don't wear a lot of red. And so I feel like if I'm wearing a pink or a pastel, that this strap would clash. In the winter or autumn, this strap is going to be amazing. And of course, it matches perfectly. It has the stubbier strap in the antique gold hardware. It and the one that came with my Badge Field Tote are the only ones that match the hardware. And of course, the glazing on this one matches perfectly since it came with the bag. For me though, I think that my favorites would either be the one from Organize My Bag or the one from the Coach outlet. I do love the cotton web straps, as you know. I have so many of them. I use them with tons of my bags, but sometimes they're not the best option. And that's what I found in this case. I think the vachetta may be my most favorite, but you can get vachetta straps that are solid vachetta from Organize My Bag as well, if that is something that you are looking for. I will link both of these bags in the description box. This one is not on sale, and this one, I think you can pre-order it on Saks right now, but it's not supposed to be back in stock until like October. But if you want it, you know, go ahead and do it. It won't hurt anything. You could always cancel your order if you change your mind. But they're both great bags. Again, capacity on the Marc Jacobs is a little bit bigger. The lining with the zippered pocket on the Coach is a little bit nicer. Otherwise, they're on a pretty even playing field, and they're both very versatile in terms of being able to dress them up, which is something I love to do. I'm Erin, and I am the Handbag Housewife. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Do it and ring my bell so that you get notified when I produce exciting content such as this. Also, find me over on Instagram under the same name. Take care and have a fabulous day. Thanks for watching. Bye.